Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations. Today I'm here with another easiest slow cooker crockpot recipe, and all we just need 5 ingredients. I hope you are enjoying a slow cooker crockpot playlist where I am bringing all the recipes which we can prepare in this crock pot. This recipe is required only 5 ingredients and they all here. We are using this seasoning for our instant pot fall of the bone ribs. I have ribs here, water, brown sugar and a ketchup, and we are going to follow this recipe. Please require 1 pack of seasoning mix, then 1 rack of pork baby back ribs, about 3 to 4 laps cut into 3 ribs sections, about 4 pieces. Then we need 1 cup tomato ketchup and 1.5 cup brown sugar, and third 2 cups of water. That's 60 ml. All right, so I'm just going to cut these baby back ribs in cubes, like 3 sections, and then we will put everything together. And this going to be on a slow cooker, on a low 8 hours, or on a high 4 hours. So we are going to do 4 hours. So let's mix everything together and start our recipe.
God prepares leaders in a crock pot, not a microwave. More important than the awaited goal is the work God does in us while we wait. Waiting deepens and matures us, levels our perspective, and broadens our understanding.
Okay, so this is what it's looked like after 4 hours, and the ribs are so soft and looking so juicy. So I took 2 pieces and broiled it in the oven, and look at that, how delicious it's looking. I'm going to do a little presentation and I will show you the final plate.
Thank you so much for watching our slow cooker crockpot recipe, and I believe you are enjoying this slow cooker crockpot recipes playlist as well. Make sure to subscribe, like and share with your family and friends so many people can enjoy these recipes. God bless you all. Love you all. Bye.